Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome guys. My name is Theolox Boom. And I do dance and dance challenges for you guys. Please guys, you have to watch this video up to the end. Now for you to dance this popular Brazilian dance called PASSINHO the JAMAL, something like that. Yeah, I don't want to be Brazilian, but I know I can dance actually. So if you want to dance this dance guys, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video and watch till the end guys. At the end of the video, I'll be dropping an easy tip for you to be able to acclimate this dance challenge, basically this dance guys. So you can do this dance. I'm seeing people dancing it in the World Cup, in the tournaments, in their videos, in their games. So it's an easy dance, basically just freestyling your waist now. So let us dive right into dance tutorial. So guys, the first step in dance is let's say there are different variations of the dance. Let's say the first one is don 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 don. Your right and this is your left, right and left. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Now the first step dance is let's just do the basic dance. First step is waist. Let's do with our waist first, not the hand, not the legs, the waist. Then side, then side, side, side. So you go to your right, your left, your right, your left, your right, your left, your right, your left. I follow me guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I just finish with our waist now. So dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Listen guys, just I'm not moving my hand, just my waist, I'm already vibing with it. I see, just my hands, I'm already vibing, not my waist, I'm already vibing with it. So mainly once you just imagine once you add your hands and your leg now, boom, I've got on the challenge. You literally got on the challenge. Once you have added your hands and your leg, let's do one more time. Boom 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 boom. Side 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Let's go from let's add the hands now for you to get the concept. Guys, this is how you get that. Now let's do 1. Listen guys. Remember, I think you bend your hips. So if you bend your hips to this side, you are raising your left hand. If you are bending your hips to your right, you are raising your left hand. So it's and your leg is pointing forward and make it just feel it, something like that. So let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Like I'm making. Let's say I do like a filming. I want you to make. I'm going to shake your hips, shake your hips. So once you bend your hips to this side, we are going to this side. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. You're getting it. So it's basically dun 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 dun. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see guys, basically. So you are counting 3 times, then your 4th and your 5th, and your 6th, yeah, alternating fast. So let's bend the waist now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's bend the waist now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's get this with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In case I want to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe down below for me guys. Like this video, share to your friends and family, and comment which dance tutorial you want to learn in the comment section, basically guys. And in case I helped you in this tutorial, subscribe and comment down below. So let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry this video is coming late, but let's just do it one more time. Now let's do it with the hands together. And bend your hips says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm getting me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you want to jab with your leg, if you are jabbing with your leg, you are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what your leg is doing. leg is pointing outward to your side, guys. It's pointing to the side. So I mean, facing this side, 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 facing this side. And so let's do everything together from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. This is just a reference. So you can add this dance in any other song you want to do, basically, guys. Like literally any song you want to do, you can literally add it into your songs. Yeah, you can add it to it. I have to check whether this thing is recording. Okay, it's recording actually. So you have to add the next one start. Boom, 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 bum, 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 bum. I think that's now the leg is grabbing good. So basically you have to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think 9, 10, 11 is fast. 4, 5, 6 is fast. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have literally danced the Brazilian trend dance here. You've literally gotten it, basically. So let's do it from the start one more time. Let's do it in slow mo for you guys to get it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dum 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 2, 4. So let's play with the dance, guys. Let's play with the dance, guys. Basically, let's 1, 2, 3. Go play to this. Start on your hips. And your hands. Now let's add our legs. So basically when you're doing that, you can either fall forward or relax back. And let me show you both of them. Now, falling forward, you're doing. I think about falling forward. My body is outward. And once you relax, you fall backwards, something like this. And just to get the grip of the dance, make sure you're hitting your hands and like you're bouncing it back. Hit, bounce, hit, bounce, hit, bounce. Like you're hitting the edge on something. So it's bim, bim. So let's I think 5, 6, 7, 8. I think guys. Bim, 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 bim. So it's bim, 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 bim. You know, you got a little bit of finesse to free your body, to just free yourself, man. That's dance, guys. Basically, that is the dance. I hope you are getting it. I hope you're getting it. Please, I want you to this channel. Kindly subscribe down below. Like this video, share with your friends and family, guys, and comment everything in the comment section. Which tutorial you want to do? Which one you want me to do next? If you need this in a broken down, in a more simpler version, comment in the comment section, guys, and I'll break it down for you guys. So let's sit down. Let's have some more time for you to get the concept. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Come on now. Boom, 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 boom. So basically that's the tutorial, guys. In case you like this content, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to your friends, guys, and comment in the comment section what you want to dance doing next in the next tutorials. And in case this tutorial for my channel, I'll put hashtag to your video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.